Hello everyone. When did you buy the smartphone you are holding right now? Pause the video and write down your answers. Now, if it is less than 2 years, allow me to show you something. Recently, Apple launched its iPhone 14. But, along with this, it continued to sell its iPhone 12, which launched 2 years ago. Similarly, in the year 2019, Apple was selling its iPhone 8 alongside iPhone 11, 2 years after its first launch. So, what does it tells you? You don't need a new smartphone as early as your favorite company launches a new one. The new isn't new anymore. And progressive web applications are the next big thing. Check out my previous video if you haven't already. Links are in the description. Now, I am not telling you not to buy a new smartphone and stick to your current one forever. But, there should be substantial changes. These include things like foldable screens. If the current offerings don't fit your budget, wait for a little bit. You can add PC mode to your feature list, like Samsung DeX, which allows you to use your smartphone as a PC, enabling you to take full advantage of your modern piece of tech. Think about it, and share your future features list in the comments below. I am really curious about them. Now, I would also like to share some anti-features. These are equally, if not more useful than the features list. Don't buy a new phone if it can offer only incremental changes. Also, take a good look at the peripherals you have for your existing smartphone. Ensure your new device supports them as well, otherwise, you are effectively wasting the money you spent buying those, even when they are working perfectly fine. Don't just buy because everyone is buying it. Don't give in to your desire. Resist it. Also, don't give in to planned bullying by corporates. Learn more about green bubbles and blue bubbles in the context of iMessage to get a clear picture. Your smartphone is more powerful than the computer that took humans to the moon. Please realize their full potential. Fun fact, I bought my current smartphone 5 years back in 2017. And I am planning to use it for 5 more years at least, since I recently upgraded it from Android 7 to Android 12L via the custom ROM route. So, which team are you in? Android or iOS? How recently have you purchased your smartphone? Do let me know in the comments. Discuss and educate your friends and family with the help of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.